How to make your own Pringles at home. Yes. Can you say thank you, guys? Yes. You're welcome. Now, if you know say you love Pringles very, very well, you're a lover of Pringles, then just appreciate me, because this video is strictly for you. How to make Pringles from scratch, just using how many ingredients? 3 to 4 ingredients. All you need now your potato, your Irish potato. You need your corn flour, you need your salt, a little bit of salt, you need your water, you need your rice flour or just normal plain flour, and follow those procedures and you're good to go. You just watch this video. I don't need to talk too much, it's well explained. Yes, watch this video till the very end, so you go fit follow the procedures of how they do them. Pringles is very simple, very, very easy. You see those ones now packaging. You do Pringles finish, go look for that kind of rubber, do your decorations, seal them very well, and you can sell it. It's not a business, not business. So all those things now packaging. People like Pringles very well. I personally, I love Pringles, but I know they chop reason because you don't cost low Pringles and sing, but you can eat your own Pringles at home. Now, before I continue, please, if I know say I don't watch and read this video, some people are just not what will I even say? So guys, some people are not just helping me. They go watch the video, reach one point, and they go like that video. They love that video, the content. For them to even like, drop comments, tap that plus, that's not problem. Share this video. So many people are looking for this. Share, please. Oh, are you crying? Share. Follow me on my social media platforms, the same name, both Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook. Follow me, drop comments, recommend me on Facebook. Follow me on my social media platforms. I'll be saying it like how many times, heaven help me. And go to my YouTube channel, stop there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's continue back. So making your own Pringles is very easy. You just follow the procedures, you understand, and you're good to go. We know very well the Irish potato is expensive, but with 1,000 naira, or let's say 5,000 naira potatoes, yes, 5,000 naira Irish potato, you can make yourself a lot of Pringles. Yes, how much is Pringles for market? Pringles don't cost now. Pringles like 4,000 plus or 5,000 plus. It's expensive. So you can make a lot of Pringles with that 5,000 naira potato, because we know potatoes is very expensive. So follow these procedures and you're good to go. It's very easy. Don't be saying that waiting, not too hard. Understand? Not too hard. As far as you get high, even if you don't get high, listen to my voice as I tell you, do this, you should be able to understand. You understand? That is it. So now, please, I'll repeat again. Follow me on my social media platform. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Effects always. I love you guys. So yeah. My boy. Okay, now make fun.